Hello, friends. Are you looking to add a little charm to your garden or home without spending a fortune? Well, today I have some simple yet shocking candle hacks from Dollar Tree that'll do just that. These affordable and fun DIYs are perfect for any budget. I know how important it is to make our spaces feel special without breaking the bank. After all, who wants to spend all that money when you can create something just as beautiful with a few easy steps? Now, stick around, because not only will these tricks help brighten up your space, but they'll also surprise you with how easy they are. Imagine your backyard transformed with soft, flickering lights that give a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. Your neighbors will be so jealous, and you might just have them asking for tips. I remember when my friend added these little touches to his backyard, and now every time I visit, I can't stop admiring how magical it looks. It's like having a professional design, but on a budget. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You'll find lots of easy, budget-friendly ideas for sprucing up your home and garden. And of course, ring that bell so you never miss out on a new project. Let's get started with our first hack. Candle hack number 1, floating candles in bowls. This one's so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't think of it sooner. All you need is a small bowl, some water, and a couple of tea light candles. Yes, just those tiny ones we all know and love. Start by filling the bowl halfway with water. Then, gently place the tea light candles on top. If you'd like to make it even more magical, add a few flower petals or a bit of glitter for that extra sparkle. This takes me back to my childhood when we used to make little floating candle arrangements for special occasions. Such a sweet, simple touch for any table or patio, don't you think? Here's a tip. Make sure the candles float freely. Don't crowd them too much. That way, they'll look like little stars floating in a pond. It's a lovely, peaceful sight. And for a bonus tip, you can add some colored water or even a drop of essential oil to make it even more relaxing and fragrant. How's that for easy elegance? Candle hack number 2, DIY candlestick holders. Want a chic way to elevate your candles? Let's turn some Dollar Tree items into beautiful candlestick holders. It's a fun and creative way to make your candles stand out in style. First, grab some glass candle holders. Dollar Tree has plenty of options. Then, use a hot glue gun to attach them to a small decorative plate or saucer. You can even paint the base to match your garden or room decor if you like, making them perfectly suited to your space. Once everything is dry, simply place a tea light or pillar candle on top. Voila! You've got a gorgeous, custom candlestick holder. This reminds me of those fancy candle holders my grandmother used to have. They were so elegant, and this simple upgrade brings that same charm to your home. Here's a tip. If you want to make these even fancier, try using metallic paint or adding a ribbon around the base for a seasonal touch. It'll really make them pop. And for a bonus tip, these make wonderful gifts too. You can personalize them with little decorative touches for a friend or loved one. A thoughtful gift that's made with love. Candle hack number 3, repurposed jar lanterns. Now let's take those empty jars you've been saving, you know the ones, and turn them into cute candle lanterns. This is an easy, budget-friendly way to create a charming lighting effect that's perfect for any space. Start by finding a small mason jar or any jar with a lid. Next, wrap a piece of twine or string around the neck of the jar. This adds a rustic touch. Place a small candle or tea light inside and light it up. That's all it takes to create a cozy, glowing atmosphere. This is such a nostalgic way to light up the evening. It reminds me of those summer nights on the porch with the fireflies dancing around. It's simple, yet it creates such a warm and inviting feel. Here's a tip. You can hang these from tree branches or place them in groups along your garden path for a soft, glowing effect. And if you're worried about an open flame, you can always use battery-operated candles for the same magical look. For a bonus tip, try making them in different sizes for variety and use them as centerpieces or party decorations too. These little lanterns are so versatile. Candle hack number 4, flower candle votives. Here's a lovely way to add a splash of color to your candles, flower votives. These are so easy to make, and they turn out gorgeous every single time. Start by grabbing some artificial flowers from Dollar Tree. Trim the flowers so they fit around the edge of a glass votive holder. Use hot glue to carefully attach them to the sides of the votive. Once that's done, place a small candle inside and light it up. These remind me of the old-fashioned flower arrangements we used to make for church or family dinners. There's something so sweet and inviting about them. Such a warm, welcoming look, don't you think? Here's a tip. Try using flowers that match the season, like sunflowers in the summer or poinsettias during the holidays. You can even coordinate with your garden's current bloom, making it a natural extension of your outdoor space. For a bonus tip, try mixing different flower colors for a more dramatic effect, or add some greenery for extra texture. It'll give your votive a lovely, layered look. Candle hack number 5, fall candle mason jars. With fall right around the corner, let's make a fall-themed candle project using mason jars. This is a favorite of mine. It's an easy way to bring the cozy, comforting vibes of autumn into your home. Start with a mason jar and fill it halfway with cinnamon sticks or dried leaves. Dollar Tree has those too. Once the jar is filled, insert a small candle inside. For that final touch, decorate the top with a bit of burlap or a fall ribbon. It's a simple yet perfect way to add a cozy autumn touch. This takes me back to fall weekends when we'd gather around the fire with the smell of cinnamon and apples in the air. So simple, yet so seasonal. It really gets you into the spirit of the season. Here's a tip. For an added touch, sprinkle some glitter or faux snow around the base for a winter wonderland feel once the weather turns chilly. It's the perfect way to bridge the seasons. And for a bonus tip, these also make great fall-themed gifts. Just wrap them up in a little cellophane with a bow, and you're ready for Thanksgiving. A thoughtful, homemade gift that's sure to bring a smile. Candle hack number 6, rustic candle holders from wooden blocks. Let's get rustic with this one. You can turn simple wooden blocks into charming candle holders that add a touch of warmth and character to your space. Start by finding a wooden block. Dollar Tree sells small wooden pieces that are perfect for this project. Drill a hole into the center of the block to fit a tea light or pillar candle. If you like, you can paint or stain the wood for a more polished look, but even a natural wood finish has a lovely rustic charm. Here's a tip. To really enhance that rustic vibe, add a bit of twine or jute rope around the base of the block. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference. And for a bonus tip, these wooden candle holders can be decorated for any season. Add small pine cones for a winter touch or fresh flowers for a spring look. They're so versatile and can easily adapt to your home's decor all year round. Candle hack number 7, mason jar candle holders with decorative stones. This hack is so simple, yet it looks like something straight out of a high-end store. Let's use mason jars and decorative stones to create unique, eye-catching candle holders that are perfect for any occasion. Start by filling a mason jar with small decorative stones or pebbles. Once it's filled, place a tea light or small candle on top. It's as easy as that, but the effect is stunning. Here's a tip. You can even add a bit of sparkle with glitter or beads for a more elegant touch. It's a quick way to make your candle holders look even more polished and refined. And for a bonus tip, these make fantastic table centerpieces during parties or holidays. Imagine them lit up on your dining table for a cozy, elegant atmosphere. They're simple, yet so charming. Candle hack number 8, wine glass candle holders. Here's a fun and elegant hack. Let's turn a wine glass into a candle holder. It's a quick and creative way to elevate your candles with a little flair. Start by taking a wine glass and flipping it upside down. Then, place a small candle on top of the glass base. For an extra touch, you can add decorative stones or flowers around the glass stem for a beautiful and charming look. Here's a tip. These make perfect dinner party centerpieces or lovely outdoor decor. Imagine the soft glow from the candle shining through the glass. So simple, yet so elegant. And for a bonus tip, if you're looking to give a festive look, you can spray paint the glass in gold or silver. It'll really add that special sparkle for any celebration or holiday gathering. Candle hack number 9, scented candle sachets. These scented sachets are perfect for placing in your garden or around the house. filling your space with a delightful aroma that's both relaxing and refreshing. Start by taking a small mesh bag. Dollar Tree has some great options for this. Fill the bag with a mixture of dried flowers like lavender or rose petals and a few drops of your favorite scented oils. Then, add a small tea light or pillar candle to the sachet. Light the candle, and you'll have a gentle, aromatic glow that'll make any space feel cozy. Here's a tip. These sachets also make wonderful homemade gifts. You can personalize the scent based on the season. For instance, try a warm cinnamon mix for fall or a floral scent for spring. It's a thoughtful, budget-friendly gift that shows you care. And for a bonus tip, try adding lavender for a calming, soothing scent or citrus for a bright, refreshing touch. These sachets are not only practical, but add a personal, lovely touch to any room. Candle hack number 10, Hurricane Candle Holders. For a more elegant look, let's turn a simple glass hurricane vase into a stylish candle holder that will add sophistication to any space. Start by placing a candle inside a tall glass vase. You can use a pillar candle or a tea light, whatever you prefer. To add that special touch, decorate the outside of the vase with ribbon, faux flowers, or even a bit of glitter. It's a simple way to make your candle holder truly shine. Here's a tip. This is perfect for outdoor patios or to create a dramatic centerpiece for special occasions. Imagine these glowing softly on your table during a dinner party or outside on a cool evening. It sets such a beautiful, warm ambience. And for a bonus tip, if you're concerned about an open flame, you can always use battery-operated candles. They're a safe, long-lasting way to achieve the same glowing effect without the worry. And there you have it. 10 easy Dollar Tree candle hacks that will instantly transform your home or garden. Whether you're looking to create a relaxing atmosphere or add a festive touch, these projects are perfect for any occasion. They're simple, affordable, and sure to brighten up your space in no time. Which candle hack are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how they turn out for you. And don't forget to share any fun twists you add to make them your own. Remember, creativity is all about having fun. Don't be afraid to get a little messy and experiment with your ideas. It's your space, so make it as special as you like. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly DIYs. You'll find plenty more easy projects coming your way. See you next time on Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. Happy crafting!